Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do one of my blast cabinet mod videos for you guys. Today we're going to be talking about sealing the unit. Now I have mine from Princess Auto, as I've stated in the past. It does come with like a thin foam that you're supposed to put around all the edges and everything when you go to assemble the unit, but looking at reviews and everything, that stuff did not work out very well for a lot of people. So I'm going to show you what I did. It's pretty simple, it's quick. I'll open up the cabinet. Now when you look inside, down along all my seams, down along here, I've taken black gasket material. I did put the foam in between the two pieces, and then all of my seams, I've put the black gasket material over top of them. It's sealed the unit really well. I barely got anything that leaks out. I got a small leak in one of the corners. I'll show you where it is, but as you can see, all the way along, even down below inside the hopper, all of the seams have been sealed. On the outside of the unit, up in the corners there, hard to see, low light, and all along here. Now I do have a small leak. As you can see, some of my media here comes from the corners. I've done my best to seal that up, but for how small the glass media is and the pressure in the cabinet, it seems to find its way. But all down through here, because it's been sealed on the inside, I have no leaks. Down at the bottom, come up and around the spill box, all the way around there. So that's one of the mods I've done. It's sealed the unit very well. Like I said, small leak in the corner, but it's very minimal. Helps save your media, and it's a great idea. Make sure you guys are hitting that like and that subscribe button so you guys are getting all my videos, notifications on new ones. Make sure you check out my previous videos on my blast cabinet and keep an eye out for more. Thanks.